Hello and welcome to the cryptocurrency news channel. Yes, we'll discuss the Ethereum exploit later on the stream, but for now, I want to talk about how Xi Jinping has been defeated by crypto because Chinese FUD no longer affects crypto price. Crypto price actually went up today, just as the central bank of China, headed by whoever heads the central bank, but really controlled by Supreme Emperor Xi Jinping, has said that. Bitcoin has no value, despite the world's second biggest economy and possibly a huge market saying that Bitcoin has no value. Bitcoin does not give a crap about what they say, and it's continued to go up. They basically said Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, this is from Yahoo Finance, are not legal tenders and have no actual value support. But the thing is, Bitcoin didn't really care what they say because despite their clampdown, I do actually think that some people in China are actually using the firewall to hop over because there is still kind of like a Chinese yuan kind of pair on a lot of the Asian exchanges. According to a report by local news outlet People's Daily Online, Yu Ping said that cryptocurrencies are purely speculative assets. That may be true, although some of them do have kind of like industrial use. He also advised the public to increase its risk awareness and stay away from crypto market to protect their pockets. Now, that's actually not going to work for Chinese people, just him saying that, because the Chinese people know how much the CCP is a scam, and they're not really working for the common people. They're just working to actually maintain their own power. I mean, if you think the U.S. government is bad, the Chinese government is 100 times worse. So, and I think most people in China are actually aware of that. They won't openly say it because they're afraid of being put in jail and stuff, but I think most people in China actually do know that. At least when I talk to taxi drivers in the car, they all think that every one of them thinks that the government are evil monsters, which they kind of are, especially the local governments. They're no good. They're actually worse than the actual national government in Beijing. So the PBOC official also said in anticipation of a possible crypto market rebound and the related operations in China, the central bank will monitor overseas cryptocurrency exchanges and domestic traders in collaboration with relevant authorities. So the thing is, the reason that the CCP is so against Bitcoin is twofold. One, they don't want any competition for their digital yuan. And two, people were actually using crypto to move money out of China. They were actually trading away Chinese yuan for US dollars. Yes, despite how nationalistic some of those businesses seem, and how people are always saying the demise of the US dollar, if you actually go talk to real businessmen over there and basically you put a truth meter to them, every single one of them will say that if given the chance, they would easily trade Chinese yuan for USD. The USD is really not going anywhere. The only reason they don't trade Chinese yuan for USD is because the government doesn't allow them to. And even at that, they're still trying to buy property in the rich Chinese people are still trying to buy property in the United States. They're trying to port their money over here and trade for USD. Anyways, even some of the government officials do it. They just do it unofficially. So Bitcoin is a threat to them because it actually gives them another, indirect way to actually basically wash money out of China, and that threatens their control over the economy, which is why they're so against it. And China has caused a couple of dumps in Bitcoin, but they don't really affect Bitcoin price anymore because people have stopped listening to them. They're basically a bigger version of Elon Musk right now, and I think people have actually stopped listening to them even more than they've stopped listening to Elon Musk. So in the crypto world, the Chinese government is even less relevant than Elon Musk. So they've gone from second world superpower to less relevant than Elon Musk in the world of crypto. So that's just what I have to say for today. Let me know what you think, like and subscribe, and hit that bell notifications button. And Xi Jinping, you have been defeated by Bitcoin. Have a nice day.